Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to add fake location on Snapchat Android. It is the same process also on iPhone. Firstly, what you need to do is just go on your left upper side by clicking the profile section and then clicking the settings side on your right upper side. Then you need just to scroll down and find for see my location, click on it and go for suggest a place. Now here with this you need to choose a category, for example, I don't know, maybe gym, and then you need to enter the name of the place, I don't know. Also you need to enter the city. For example, if you're living in California, you can fake this location and here you can add that you're living in Paris, for example. And right after you fulfill all these informations right here, you're gonna be available for taking a photo also, and then you're gonna go for submit. And after that guys, you're gonna add a fake location on your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.